Turkey's Bayraktar TB3 unmanned combat aerial vehicle has made history, becoming the world's first armed UAV to take off and land on a short-runway vessel. But that's not all. The TB3 has now successfully completed its first munitions firing test with the MAM-T, a precision-guided munition hitting its target with pinpoint accuracy. This marks a significant milestone for Turkey's growing capabilities in unmanned aerial warfare and underscores the operational readiness of the Bayraktar TB3 for both maritime and land-based missions. On January 17, 2025, the TB3 took off from the Baykar Flight Training and Test Center in Kazan, Turkey, carrying 2 rockets and MAM-T munitions. The UAV used the Aselsan ASELFLIR-500 system for target identification and engagement. This test proves that the TB3 is not only capable of long-endurance flights but also ready to carry out precision strike missions. The MAM-T munition itself is a remarkable advancement. With a range of over 30 kilometers when launched from a UAV and up to 80 kilometers when deployed from fighter jets, the MAM-T offers immense tactical flexibility. Its semi-active laser seeker ensures high precision, and its high-explosive fragmentation warhead makes it effective against a variety of targets, from armored vehicles to fortified structures. But the Bayraktar TB3 isn't just about precision strikes. The UAV made history back in November 2024 when it became the first combat-capable drone to take off and land on the short deck of the TCG Anadolu, a Turkish amphibious assault ship. This unprecedented feat allows the TB3 to operate from vessels with limited deck space, giving Turkey a significant advantage in naval operations without relying on traditional catapult or arresting systems. The TB3 has also demonstrated its high-altitude capabilities. In June 2024, the drone reached an impressive altitude of over 36,000 feet, and in December 2023, it completed a long-range test, flying for 32 hours and covering 5,700 kilometers. These feats highlight its endurance and ability to conduct sustained operations in complex environments. Designed with foldable wings, the TB3 is perfectly suited for naval operations, and with beyond line-of-sight communication, it can be controlled from remote locations, giving Turkey an extended operational reach. This adaptability makes it a valuable asset for reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strike missions, enhancing Turkey's defense strategy and military capabilities. As the TB3 continues to undergo testing and further integrations, it is clear that it will play a key role in Turkey's defense industry. Its advancements showcase the country's growing influence in unmanned aerial technology and position the Bayraktar TB3 as a powerful force multiplier on the modern battlefield. With these groundbreaking achievements, Turkey is reshaping the future of UAV technology and solidifying its place on the global defense stage.